Advanced Leadership Camp Parade held in Rajasthan, each contributing to the elegance of this impressive event.
And with
this uniforms, synchronized posture and tone gaze reflect the discipline and dedication extended throughout the journey by APCA. Ladies and gentlemen, each officer maintains perfect alignment, synchronized steps and persistent focus. Basically a graduate in history and was a former employee of the Revenue Department, had renounced his job for the noble service. Assistant General from the same batch and உலகத்தில் 7 அதிசயங்கள் உண்டு, ஆனால் எனக்கு ஒரே அதிசயம் என் தமிழ் மொழிதான் என தமிழ் பயின்றவர். Not only that, he has served for 7 long years in the same department as warder and the best shooter of his basic training as warder. Participated as contingent for Tamil Nadu Prison Department in the Republic Day Parade. Second platoon is led by again an interesting officer, Sri K. Kalanidhi, a computer science engineer who also served the prisons department for 7 years and was awarded best in prison service and best kids inspection for 2 years. A young motivated officers. I request a big round of applause for these achievements. Well-disciplined officer in the batch. Special Appreciation Award awarded by APCA. Both in indoor and outdoor activities. Best all-rounder of the batch. RPF, where he achieved significant success in anti-Naxal operation, maintained the law and order effectively, prevented crimes with public participation. On intercadre deputation, Sir worked as DCP Gargan, Haryana, and provided public-friendly policing and maintained law and order effectively. While serving as Deputy Director,
board, apart from the
Mr. Pradeep, esteemed faculty members, distinguished guests, proud cadet officers, dear training officers of other batches, parents, friends from media, good morning to everyone. It gives me immense pleasure to be here today as chief guest for the passing out parade of 32nd batch of 9-month basic course for prison officers. As the chairperson of Board of Management of this prestigious institution, the Academy of Prison and Correctional Administration, Vellore, I feel honored to witness the culmination of a significant phase in your professional journey. Today's occasion reminds me of my own passing out parade, where the length of chief guest speech mattered more than the content. So I'll keep it brief. Congratulations to each one of you, the 5 jailer training officers and 37 assistant jailer training officers, for successfully completing this rigorous and transformative training. You have reached a significant milestone in your journey as prison and correctional professionals. This academy, APCA, has a rich legacy of shaping generations of correctional officers from across the country, and I'm proud that Tamil Nadu continues to play a pivotal role in upholding that legacy. Under the able leadership of Director Shri Pradeep and with the dedicated guidance of professors, resource persons, outdoor instructors from Prison Department and Police Department of Tamil Nadu, APCA continues to maintain high standards in training, character building and professional excellence. Your training has equipped you with tools, skills, and values needed to face the complexity of prison management, to handle not just the iron gates and security systems, but also the human souls that lie behind these bars. Education is the most powerful weapon which you can use to change the world, but also sensitized to the evolving role of prison administration, from custodial supervision to correctional rehabilitation. You have received hands-on exposure to real prison environments, learning the nuances of discipline, security, inmate management, human rights, and correctional programs. These are not just lessons for the job, these are lessons for life. You may be aware that e-prison, the digitization of prison records, improving data accessibility and management is changing the world in a big way. It enables real-time monitoring and reporting, reducing errors and enhancing institutional accountability. It also integrates with courts and police, facilitating smoother prison movement and timely information sharing. You may also be aware that interoperable criminal justice system, allowing seamless information flow, connecting police, courts, prisons, forensics, is about to bring a remarkable change in all of our professional lives. It will help fulfilling mandates from the Supreme Court and central agencies on criminal justice integration. I would request you to develop a more and more technology-oriented aptitude to feel at home in this new environment. Before I conclude, I wish to place on record my appreciation for faculty, staff, and administrators of APCA for their tireless efforts in shaping the future leaders of our correctional services. I also commend the families of training officers whose support and sacrifice have made this journey possible. To the outgoing training officers,
let me conclude with one last message which is much needed for you at this juncture. A prisoner comes to prison as a punishment, not for punishment. I hope that will be your guiding light in this long and fabulous professional journey. My best wishes to you.